Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? What's up? I'm about to do some Escovith fish. So I have here all my ingredients that I'm going to use. I don't have my vinegar, but you know, anything I use, I will just show you as we go along. So these are my fish, wash, scale, gut, everything. They are all ready for me to just put some mark in them. And then we're going to go around the back because you know, say, oh, there's some go fry the fish then. Can't bother fry them in the house more while. You know, too much oil, I'll just splash all about. So, you know, my thing already, may just gently put some slit. Yes, so that's how we're going to do each and every one of them. Alrighty, so I have some season here that I mix up. What I really mix up right here now is fish seasoning, salt, and black pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead with this one. I'm going to season my fish as usual. I'm going to start from in the gut of the fish, because you know I like to season my fish head properly. Then we're gonna just gently rub in some of the season where we have marked the fish. And we're gonna do each and every one of them. Yes guys, so I finished seasoning my fish. So this is it. I'm going to just set this aside now and you know, let that season go and marinate. So dealing with the season for my pickle, I'm not going to use all of this sweet pepper here. Red bell pepper, I'm just going to use a half of it. And I'm just going to cut them into some long strips. So basically I am removing the seed. I'm not using the seed. So you want to cut them in some long strips and you want to do that really thin. You don't want it too thick. So I'm finished with my red bell pepper. Using half of this pepper. Alrighty. I'm gonna remove my seed. I say guys, you don't have to cut your strips too big. Some long strips. And that's when you're decorating your fish, it look lovely. So what happened now guys, seasoning, I'm gonna put all the sweet pepper into one container. So I finished cutting my yellow sweet pepper. I have this purple sweet pepper as well. Bell pepper, you know, same thing, I'm using half of it. Just for the color. Just to decorate my fish. And give it that nice color, that nice look. So I remove my seeds and I'm going to cut into some long strips as well. Alright, so that's it for our bell pepper. So I'm using 3 different color bell pepper: purple, yellow, and red. You can go ahead and use the green and use, you know, whatever you want to use. So we're moving on to our Scotch bonnet pepper. We're using both seed and everything. So you want to thinly slice those as well. Yeah. This is what's going to turn up the heat. Scotch bonnet pepper no normal. Alrighty. So we're just going to tuck this away for now. Thinly slice your onion as well. You don't want it too thick. So I finished with my onion. Guys, let me show you how thin. Oh, this piece is crumbling, but it doesn't matter still. This is how thin I slice my onion. Thin. You want to slice your onion really thin. Alrighty, so we're going to just put that in our container right here. And we're going to put that aside for now. We're about to do our carrot now. And same thing we're going to do. We're going to make sure so we slice it really thin. I'm going to cut it in some long strips. So I'm going to bust my carrot in two. Alrighty. And I'm going to scrape it off. Now guys, just burst this carrot in two. And I want to cut some old school. Me are doing an old school way, because guess what? You have a gadget that you can use to just cut these really fine, quick and fast. So this is the old school way how I see my mother do it. Yeah, man. And we're just going to do like this. I want to do these fine as well. Alrighty. So we're going to continue until all of this is finely cut, alright? Finish cut up my carrot, guys. So yeah, man. We're going to just put it away for now. We're going to put it in container. Same treatment. What is this? Thyme leaf? What thyme leaf get on my carrot? Thyme leaf, yeah? Alright guys, I am on the outside and it is windy, very windy out here. So remember, if you hear any dog or bark, you hear any horn or toot, anything at all you hear, guys, I am on the outside. Very windy and I'm loving it. So the pot is hot, so here I'm going to go some booms and I'm dashing my aisle in that. So the breeze all blow with the aisle. Alrighty. So after we dash in with aisle, we are putting in a piece of springtime and we have some garlic cloves. Alrighty, so we're waiting on that to get really hot. Right, so when that get real hot, I'm going to just put in my fish them in that. Alrighty. So the breeze, guys, windy, man. And I'm loving that wind. So our oil is hot and firing up. So we're gonna put in our fish. So the breeze are going to be a technical, guys. Trust me. Alright, so we're removing our fish. Booms in our plate. Wait a going like you know come out of pot, so it's all a carry time with him. this is our fish all finished, fried and everything. So I finished cut up my carrot, guys. So yeah, man, we're going to just put it away for now. We're going to put it in container. Same treatment. What is this? Thyme leaf. What thyme leaf get on my carrot? Thyme leaf, you know? Alright. I'm going to make my pickle right about now. So I'm just using a spoonful of oil. Don't want any more like that. I'm tossing in my onion. I'm just going to saute up everything, guys. Carrots. No particular order. I'm putting in our pepper. I don't know the seed in our pepper and everything, and a hot bun pepper. So you know that come right up. Next we're gonna put in our bell pepper. Nice combination, you know. Some white vinegar to get those saute up and nice. Alright. So we're going to put in some pimento now, guys, some pimento berries. You know, you can't leave that out, you know. And you're making a pickle for your fish. The next thing I'm going to put in just a little chunks of sugar. And that is optional, alright. Then we're going to give that a good little stir and thing. Pickle is coming on really nice. Our pickle is finished. Alright, so I'm going to do my presentation now, guys, for you all to see. I'm going to decorate my fish with my pickle.